In this video, I'll guide you through how to build a web form with JotForm. We'll start right from the homepage and go all the way to customizing your form so it looks and works the way you want. This walkthrough is perfect if you're new to JotForm or just want a simple, fast way to get a professional looking form online. First, open your browser and go to jotform.com. If you already have an account, make sure you're signed in so you can save your work. If you don't, you can still look around, but it's a good idea to create a free account before you get too far so nothing you build gets lost. Once you're on the homepage and logged in, you're ready to start creating. Next, look for the Create option. This is usually near the top of the screen, often as a button that clearly says Create. Go ahead and click that. Think of this as telling JotForm you're starting a brand new project. You don't have to worry about any settings yet. You're just opening the door to the form builder. After you click Create, you'll see a few choices for what you can build. Here, you want to click Form. This lets JotForm know you're building a standard web form, which could be anything from a contact form to a registration form or feedback form. Clicking Form will take you into the main starting point for designing and choosing your layout. Now you'll see options for how you want to start your form. To speed things up and avoid building from scratch, click Use Template. Templates are pre-built forms that already have fields, layouts, and styles in place. Using a template is one of the easiest ways to get a polished form without needing design skills or a lot of time. Once you're in the template gallery, move to the search bar and type in web form, then hit enter. JotForm will filter the results and show you templates that are designed to work as general web forms. These might include contact forms, inquiry forms, sign-up forms, and more. Take a moment to scroll through and look at the previews so you can see the structure and style of each option. When you find a template that looks close to what you need, click on it to open the details. You'll usually see a larger preview so you can confirm it has the right kind of fields, like name, email, message, or any other information you want to collect. If it looks good, click the Use Template button. This copies that template into your own workspace so you can edit it freely. Now you're in the customization phase, and this is where your form becomes truly yours. You can click on any field to change its label, add instructions, or make it required. You can add new fields from the sidebar, remove any you don't need, and rearrange them by dragging and dropping. Take your time to adjust the colors, fonts, and overall style so it matches your website or brand. As you edit, use the preview option to see what your form will look like to visitors. Once you're happy with everything, you can save and then publish or embed the form on your site. That's all it takes to build a web form with JotForm, starting from a template and customizing it to fit your needs.